check my PJP. Today, as per my PJP, I will visit Spencer's. There's no deviation on my PJP plan so far. Good. Let me check the latest merchandiser reports. Okay. The account-wise status is for Spencer's Gems offer communication issue to be resolved. In Hypercity, I need to increase order quantity for Tang 500 grams orange and discuss silk orange peel position on shelf with the department manager. In Big Bazaar, I have achieved only 30% of my big hit as of today, and I need to get at least 40,000 more by the end of this week. Share of shelf issue of Oreo to be solved in the store. Linking issue of brownie will need to be solved today. Silk on-shelf availability and 50% big hit achievement in 70% time. If I see category-wise, Bonvita is ahead of plan across. Good. 25% growth on Bonvita Little Champs. Last month's chocolate month is yielding good results. This month too, chocolate is ahead of plan.
Sales executive must plan the day by looking at various reports such as past merchandiser reports, last store visit report. Sales executive should also review overall and big hit achievement of his beat outlets. A good sales executive refers to Field Activity Plan or FAP before going to the market and makes a list of issues to be resolved. Sales executive must have clearly defined store objectives before entering a store. Let's see how sales executive is conducting a sales call to drive in-store execution.
गुड मॉर्निंग गणेश.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैडम.
गणेश, स्टॉक लिया है?
यस मैडम. ये देखिए, कल ही डिलीवर हुआ है.
37 MSS लाइंस हैं. स्टॉक प्रेशर कम है थोड़ा गणेश. जो भी स्टॉक आया है उसे शेल्फ में अभी लगा देना.
यस मैडम, पूरा स्टॉक अरेंज करता हूँ.
गुड. और प्लानोग्राम की कॉपी है?
यस मैडम. ये देखिए, लास्ट मंथ नहीं लाया था, अभी हमेशा अपने साथ ही रखता हूँ.
दैट इज गुड. और आपकी लास्ट वीक की रिपोर्ट कॉपी?
यस, वो भी है मैडम. ये देखिए.
It is important to check whether merchandiser has noted all the available stock in the store. The sales executive must check if the merchandiser is carrying a planogram copy and last week report for the store.
ओके. जो भी नए डेट का स्टॉक है वो शेल्फ में पीछे लगा देना. फीफो यानी फर्स्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट प्रिंसिपल से स्टॉक लगाना मर्चेंडाइजर का पहला काम होता है. ओके. और फ्रंट फेसिंग रखना, इससे शॉपर को प्रोडक्ट स्पॉट करने में आसानी होती है.
यस मैडम, ये हमें ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम में भी बताया था.
ओके.
While discussing with the merchandiser, a good sales executive must reinforce the merchandising principles from time to time.
मैडम, एक प्रॉब्लम है.
बोलो गणेश.
मैडम, प्लानोग्राम से स्टॉक अरेंज करने के लिए जगह बहुत कम है. सीडीएम सिर्फ ₹50 बहुत दिन से नहीं है, जिससे रिचा मैडम ही गुस्सा है.
और आप चाहते हैं कि मैं रिचा मैडम से बात करूं?
जी मैडम, उससे मुझे हेल्प होगी. मैडम, ये जेम्स प्रोमो का ऑफर भी कल से बंद है.
मैंने भी नोटिस किया इसको. लेकिन गणेश, आपको ये बात मुझे तुरंत फोन करके बता देनी चाहिए थी. हर दिन हमारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है. ऑफर से हमें एक्स्ट्रा सेल मिलती है जिससे हमें टारगेट्स पूरे करने में मदद होती है। तो अगली बार से आप मुझे तुरंत इन्फॉर्म कीजिए। मैं रिचा से मिलती हूँ। और कुछ?
मैडम, बॉर्नवीटा लिटिल चैम्प्स का लिंकिंग का इशू है और ये ब्राउनी जल्दी जल्दी स्टॉक आउट हो रहा है। मैडम, ये सब मैंने अपनी रिपोर्ट में भी लिखा है, ये देखिए।
अच्छा हुआ आपने मुझे बता दिया। गुड ऑब्जर्वेशन।
थैंक यू मैडम।
I'll just make a note of these points. आप प्लानोग्राम से स्टॉक अरेंज कीजिए, मैं तब तक स्टोर वॉक लेकर आती हूँ।
ठीक है मैडम।
The store visit will often bring out new work items and issues. The sales executive should check planogram adherence, share of shelf, competitor activities like promotions and visibility. It helps to assess additional display opportunities in a store. The sales executive can recognize merchandiser efforts and motivate him or her.
The store is at 85% today. I need to get more mango 500-gram stock. It's moving faster than I thought. CDM Silk ₹50 is out of stock and 5-star Crunchy is almost finished. Brownie and Silk Orange Peel ₹120 are always an issue. Let me talk to the department manager to get the MBQs changed today itself. And I think I'll get a manual PO so that we don't lose sales. Silk Big Hit is below plan. Stock is in sufficient quantity for all SKUs. Let me see if I can get extra placement of Silk in the end cap. I need to get the stock pressure in the back room to accommodate the coming weekend sales. Let me ask the department manager if I can use Gondola to get extra placement for the other food categories.
The sales executive has used on-shelf availability or OSA sheet and merchandiser report to understand execution of the store. In this step, the sales executive must use a more detailed approach to check gaps in on-shelf availability and record finer points on big hit SKU's execution and promotion execution. The sales executive's own store visit observation is very crucial to identify the execution opportunity and improve everyday great execution, that is, EDGE score.
गणेश, ये सिल्क रोस्ट आमंड 69 ग्राम्स की जगह एम्प्टी है, उसे खाली ही रखना। स्टॉक कनेक्ट होते ही मैं आपको इन्फॉर्म कर दूंगी, ठीक है? और प्लानोग्राम एडहेरेंस 100% नहीं है। जेम्स के सभी SKUs एक साथ होने चाहिए।
अभी ठीक कर दूंगा मैडम।
For good in-store execution, the planogram must be followed accurately. In case of stock-out situation for any SKU, tell the merchandiser that you will get back as soon as stocks connect. Until then, the space for that SKU must be kept empty. Also insist that the merchandiser should protect the share of space and competition must not get in it with some other SKU.
ओरियो का शेयर ऑफ शेल्फ इन बिस्किट्स कैटेगरी एटलीस्ट 5% होना चाहिए और ओरियो मिडिल में था। ये शिफ्टिंग क्यों हुआ है गणेश?
मैडम, फ्लोर इंचार्ज बता रहे थे कि 2 दिन पहले उनके एचओ से प्लानोग्राम डिवीजन हुआ है।
अब ये तो नया डेवलपमेंट है, आपको मुझे तुरंत बता देना चाहिए था। प्लानोग्राम चेंज हमारी सेल्स को इम्पैक्ट करता है, इसीलिए आपको इसे तुरंत रिपोर्ट करना चाहिए। चलो अब बॉर्नवीटा का एग्जीक्यूशन देखते हैं। कम। गणेश, बॉर्नवीटा लिटिल चैम्प्स 500 ग्राम्स का स्टॉक तो ऑलमोस्ट खत्म हो गया है।
मैडम, मर्चेंडाइजिंग के बाद कल 6 पैक तो मैंने खुद ही बेच दिए।
गुड वर्क। गणेश, कंपटीशन ने अपनी फेसिंग बढ़ा दी है, तो हमें देखना पड़ेगा कि इन्हें अपनी स्पेस ना मिल सके। तो तुम नजर रखना और कोई भी चेंज हो तो मुझे बताना।
जरूर।
Protecting our planogram and share of shelf is utmost important. There must be zero tolerance to the suboptimal execution. Lowering of share of shelf leads to sales slowdown and has a spiraling effect on sales as well. this must be addressed and corrected or escalated immediately.
गणेश, ये जेम्स सरप्राइज का स्टॉक भी पूरा नहीं है, इसे भर देना। और ये एफएसयू पे टैंक 500 ग्राम भी एम्प्टी है। आपने फ्लोर मैनेजर से बात की?
यस मैडम।
ठीक है, तो मुझे मैनुअल पीओ की बात करनी पड़ेगी। ओके, और कुछ?
Sales executive has not only coached the merchandiser but is also better prepared now. The sales executive got clarity on the issues that need to be resolved today by raising it with the concerned manager of the account. Let's see how the sales executive is interacting with the department manager.
Hi, Richa. Good morning.
Good morning, Neeta.
I wanted to discuss some business with you.
Sure, that's exactly what we're here for.
Great. Let me thank you first. We did last month 3.5 lakhs and this month we're targeting 4 lakhs worth business. We already sold 2.3 lakhs worth stock and 25,000 more than the last month till date. So, I hope you are also exceeding your overall store target.
Well, things are clearing a little slowly, but I expect a surge in sales, especially since a long weekend is coming up ahead.
What's the issue? Is it bill cuts or low conversions? I mean, I can see a good walk-in.
Walk-in is not a problem. It's more about bill cuts, which is an issue.
The sales executive asked about walk-in, bill cut and conversion and understood the opportunities for that store. This will help to pitch in our requirement better later on.
Last week we had a meeting and we were told that Oreo has gained market share in your chain. And Bournvita is growing much faster since the relaunch. The tank season is on and we have a new flavor, mango. The stock is fresh. I want to discuss how can we make your store grow faster than the other stores and the accounts.
You're right, Neeta. Oreo is already the #1 biscuit in creams. We have enough stock and space for Tang and Bournvita. What else do you expect from me? I'm always there to support you.
I know, thank you so much.
Let's see how the sales executive is resolving other execution-related issues in the store.
Can we walk to the biscuits category for a minute?
Sure.
Thanks, Richa. I wanted to discuss about biscuits. There's been a change in the Oreo placement in the category, and it is back on the second last shelf. We have reached a very strong 5% share of total biscuits in your store. Then why the sudden change? Even the space for Oreo is reduced.
Yes, I noticed the change. There is a change proposed by HO and hence we're following the same, Neeta. Why don't you speak to your HO and ask them to find out the reasons for this change?
I did check with them and there has been no change communicated yet. I also checked with the category in charge and I was told that the extra stocks of the other brands was actually causing this change. We need to revert to the earlier position as soon as possible, Richa. In fact, can I suggest you something?
Sure.
The extra stocks of the other brands can be put in the bins or the secondary placements if required. Oreo is moving very fast due to the promotion. So I really request you to allot Oreo the shelves at eye level as per the agreed planogram.
I will not let the extra stocks of the other brands affect the sale of Oreo at any cost, Neeta.
Okay,
I will instruct my team to change it. Tell your merchandiser to talk to me in an hour.
sure. Thank you so much, Richa. You've always supported our company. Richa, our Tang Orange 500 gram stock has finished again. And see, even FSU doesn't have any stock left. There's no stock in the back store as well. So I would request you to raise a manual PO on the same. And we would need at least 300 more packs.
I didn't notice that. But why 300 packs? That's too high for an FSU.
See, we billed you 300 packs last week and they're already over. And you were saying there's a good weekend approaching. So I think 300 is a good number.
I think you're right. Hey, how is the new mango flavor moving in the other stores?
It's moving very well. In fact, we've already started servicing second or third POs on this SKU since the start of the season. Well, can you get an additional PO for mango as well? There are only 50 packs left in the entire store.
Of course I'll add mango. I'm betting high on this flavor. You made our staff try it last week and we all thought it is a great product. Thanks to that little Tang and Oreo party last month, we had a great break from our daily routine. So, are you planning on doing Tang sampling for our store this summer?
With the help of data and strong observation, the sales executive successfully influenced department manager and got the execution improved. The sales executive also used this occasion to build business relations by win-win thinking.
Richa, we will organize for in-store sampling of Tang so that shoppers are more aware of the product. You would have received communication from HO on the same?
I haven't received any email yet, but I'll check with the HO again.
Okay.
Let me know your dates and requirements in terms of space and positioning of sampling unit. I think it should be in the trading area itself.
Right.
How about this space?
I think it should be fine.
Good. Neeta, your fill rates on chocolates are very low for CDM rupees 20 and Silk Roast almond 65 grams. My team has informed you on several earlier occasions as well.
Yes, Richa, we do have stock issues on CDM rupees 20 and it will continue for the month, unfortunately. I'm sure we do not want to lose sales and I'm trying my best to service all the pending orders. I'll get back to you on this right away.
I will raise a manual PO and organize it through HO as soon as you tell me the stocks have arrived.
Sure.
How are chocolates doing otherwise?
We are on target for chocolates, but we do need your help for our GEMS promo reactivation in your system and also for the announcer to go back up again. In fact, we have a new toy range of Panda now in store. And I'm sure we are going to surpass last month's achievement in this week itself. By the way, can I have this cash counter bin for the promotion stock?
That bin is being used for another category promotion.
Okay.
Is this bin of the adjoining cash counter fine?
It should be fine. I think they have equal traffic. I'll ask my merchandiser to put the promotion stock there immediately.
We often run promotions and do activation on focus SKUs. The sales executive has to ensure secondary placement for these SKUs and leverage maximum benefit of the activation.
Richa, we also have Bonvita Little Charms 200 grams to be linked to your store.
I will ask the category team to get the issues corrected right away.
That's great. You know, I want to discuss some store data trends with you. So can we sit for some time?
You can sit with the backroom team and correct the numbers.
Okay.
I will come in 15-20 minutes.
Sure.
Even I'm keen to discuss the trends for your category. Keep mailing me the basic trend analysis that you see in the store every month. And Neeta, can we have short reviews with your team every 15 days?
Yeah, sure. That would be great. I'll make all the necessary changes and get back to you as soon as possible.
Great.
Richa, we are investing in your store because we know it's going to be mutually beneficial. But we would need your manual intervention and support. So thank you for your time. And I will organize the necessary changes. And I'll see you soon in the back room in 20 minutes. See you soon.
See you.
In large super and hypermarkets, the sales executive should conduct a periodic review.
Let me complete the store visit report and revisit the objectives for the visit today. I need to talk to MDM and CAM to discuss promotions and activations of Tang. Let me talk to the merchandiser first. In the evening, I'll also talk to MDM. Great! Now I'm sure that my edge score will go up and I will achieve the target for this store.
The sales executive has used 6 steps of a sales call: planning and preparation, opening the call, store walk, determine customer needs, merchandise, present solutions, administration and self-analysis.